Talking of the gravity is the force of attraction of a body and earth. That means it is the gravitational force of attraction between any body and the earth. When a body is released, the earth brings it down towards its surface, and that force by which it is brought down to the surface of the earth is called as the gravity. Let us calculate the force of gravity and let us calculate the acceleration due to gravity. Let us take a mass m and it be pulled downwards towards the earth's surface by a force F. By Newton's second law, the force is equal to mass into acceleration. But this acceleration is equal to the acceleration due to gravity, that is g, because the acceleration is caused by the force of gravity. If we take m is equal to 1 kg, that means F is equal to m into g, that is equal to 1 into g. So g is equal to F divided by 1 kg. That means we can say that the gravitational acceleration is numerically equal to the force exerted on a unit mass. Unit mass is equal to 1 kg. So as the acceleration due to gravity is the acceleration, so it has got the units of meter per second square and dimensions of LT minus 2. Now from Newton's law of gravitation, the gravitational force on this mass is gmm divided by r square. Let us take the radius of earth be r and let us take this height be equal to h. But we say that h is very small as compared to r, so we can take the distance from the center to that mass be equal to r. That means h is less than r, so h plus r can be taken as r. So F is equal to gmm by r square. Now when the body is pulled towards the surface of the earth, that force is equal to the weight of the body, that is equal to mg. So as the forces are the same, cause and effect is the same, that means mg is equal to gmm divided by r square. M and m cancels out, so g is equal to gm divided by r square. On the surface of earth, the value of the g is calculated to be 9.8 meters per second square. This value of g, that is calculated as g is equal to 9.8 meters per second square. How it is calculated? As already stated that the value of acceleration due to gravity is numerically equal to the force on a unit mass. So we calculate the force, we get the acceleration. But this value of acceleration is important because by the value of this acceleration equal to 9.8 meters per second square, we calculate the mass of the earth and density of the earth, which we will see later in this lecture. Calculating mass and density of earth. As already stated, by the value of the g, that is equal to 9.8 meters per second square, we can calculate the mass of earth. We saw that g is equal to gm divided by r square. So calculating the mass of earth, m is equal to gr square divided by g. Now the value of g is 9.8 and the radius of earth is 6400 kilometers. That means that is equal to 6.4 into 10 raised power 6 whole square, and the value of gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised power minus 11. Calculating the above equation, we get the mass of earth equal to 6.018 into 10 raised power 24 kgs, or we can say that mass of earth is equal to 6 into 10 raised power 24 kgs. So by calculating the acceleration due to gravity, we calculated the mass of the Earth equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Now calculating the density. We know that density is equal to mass per unit volume. So when we talk of the density of Earth, the density of Earth is equal to mass of the Earth divided by volume, as this Earth is taken as a sphere of single radius, that is equal to, or for calculations, but we know that the equatorial radius is longer than the polar radius, but for these calculations we will take Earth as a sphere of uniform radius r. So volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now as m is calculated from g, we know that g is equal to gm divided by r square. So m is equal to gr square divided by g. Taking the value of m here, that is gr square divided by g divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. R square and 3 goes and we are left with 1 r. So rho is equal to g divided by 4 by 3 pi into g into r, that is equal to 9.8 divided by 4 by 3 into 22 divided by 7 into g is 6.67 into 10 raised power minus 11 into 6.4 into 10 raised power 6. When this equation is calculated, we get the value of rho b equal to 5.5 in 10 raised to power 3 kg per meter cube. The density comes out to be 5.5 into 10 raised power 3 kgs per meter cube. Thank you.